Claude not loading, stuck on a blank screen, or just refusing to respond. This kind of silence can slow everything down. Welcome back to Sainsbury's Pro. In this video, I'll show you exact fixes to get Claude working smoothly again, fast, simple, and effective. First, open your browser and head over to the Claude app. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, the first and foremost thing to do is to click on the refresh button at the very top right left corner and click on it to refresh the whole page. Now, if the problem is not solved, make sure your internet connection is stable and you are using a powerful Wi-Fi connection or a modem, anything that is giving you the Wi-Fi or the internet connection. Okay, if that doesn't work, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. From here, click on delete browsing data. Now, make sure the all time is selected. If you don't want to check the browsing history, just don't do it. I didn't do it either. The thing that usually causes the trouble is the cache files. So make sure to the cookies and the cache files. So make sure to click on the cookies and other site data and cache image and files to clear all the caches and cookies. Now click on the delete data and it will ask you to reload the whole thing, your whole page and your whole settings, and you will be good to go. Now wait while it's cleaning all the messes. Okay. Yeah, it has cleaned and here you can see a message popped up. Now click on the extension icon at the very top right corner and from here click on manage extension. Turn off any types of extension that you think that are causing issues, or the more it will be saved if you delete it. So click on remove to delete the extensions. Your Claude will work smooth like butter. Click on the very top right corner of your screen, click on the three dot icon, then click on new incognito window. Your incognito window will pop up. From here, type Claude AI. And your Claude AI will open. Now sign in with your account and use it in the incognito form, because incognito form doesn't usually have any types of issues or the chat problems or other things that you face while using Claude. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Sainsbury's Pro, and if this video helped you a lot, hit the like button and share it with your friends. And yeah, see you in another video. Bye.